Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making something simple and easy, something that you can't mess up. But wait, someone did actually mess this up. It's really simple though, easy to make, and I will tell you that story at the end of this video. So let's show you what we got working. Alright, what's in my 13 by 9 pan here is 2 cans of creamy chicken soup. No water added or nothing, you just put it in the pan like that. Then we're going to cook up some chicken, and then our broccoli we'll throw right in there. And then some salt and pepper, and then whatever stuffing you like. So we're going to use my favorite chicken stuffing. So it's just from a box. Alright guys, so we're going to add our oil first to our pan, let that get hot. And then we'll saute our chicken. Alright guys, so our oil is very hot, it's ready to go. We're going to add our chicken. Now we're going to add our salt and pepper. And we're going to let that cook for a minute. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, so when making your stuffing, just follow the box instructions on the back. That is what I'm doing for my stuffing. Do what it calls for, and then I'll show you what to do with it here in a minute. Alright guys, so make sure you cook your chicken to well done. You know, you want it to cook thoroughly all the way through because we're just going to throw it in the oven for a few minutes to get a little crispy on top. I'll show you what I mean here in a minute. You just take everything out of your pan here, your chicken and everything, just throw it right in here, spread it out a little. Alright, now we're going to add our broccoli. Your broccoli doesn't have to be cooked at all. Then a little bit more salt and pepper, not too much. Then we're going to put our stuffing right on top. Again, use any kind of stuffing you want. It's whatever you like. You can use a chicken stuffing, cornbread stuffing, any kind of stuffing you like. Alright guys, that is it. I mean, all you have to do is throw it in the oven. We're going to get a little brown here. Now I'll show you what that looks like when it comes out. Alright guys, so someone actually did mess this recipe up. And I just don't mean like, they cut the chicken wrong or they didn't do something right. You know, they actually messed this up pretty badly. So instead of dicing up the chicken, they just put a whole chicken breast in there, raw, with the sauce in there. And then instead of cooking their stuffing on the stove, they just put the breadcrumbs right on top. So this was the most crunchiest and worst thing I've almost had in my life. It's not the top thing, but it's pretty darn close. So that's what happened there. So definitely don't do that. Alright guys, I just pulled this out of the oven and man does it look awesome. The only reason we put it in the oven for 5 minutes, about 3 minutes, is only because we want to get that top nice and golden brown and delicious, and to heat up that soup in the bottom of the pan. Alright guys, tell me what you think. Did you like that story? Do you want me to tell you more stories or not? Or do you just want me to keep doing how-to videos? Please leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, if you really liked that video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. You guys have an awesome day.